You will be amazed by this 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. This versatile Tiguan was built to keep up with your family's busy lifestyle. Standout fuel efficiency, available third-row seating, flexible interior configuration, and advanced safety and connectivity tech make road trips and errands easier than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, floor mats, bucket seats. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.